Honor has launched a Magic 6 Pro in China, and this is what is the specialty of this phone. It comes with a 6.8-inch Full HD Plus curved OLED screen with a resolution of 1.5K and 120Hz refresh rate. The display achieves impressive peak brightness of 1600 nits and the highest local peak brightness of 5000 nits. This is more than what OnePlus claims for their phone of 4500 nits. This is 5000 nits. Though this is just a marketing gimmick, there is no way in the world you can get 5000 nits of brightness and the phone will last more than 1 hour. It includes a all-day low-power LTPO technology with 360 Hz oversampling synchronized display and support for Dolby Vision. The display is protected by durable giant rhino glass which is made by them with 10-fold anti-drop rating for durability. It comes with Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset. It runs on new Magic OS 8.0 which is AI-driven intent recognition for seamless human-machine interaction. It comes with different SKUs, one is 12, 256, 16, 512 and impressive 16 1TB option. In terms of imaging, it gets a 50 megapixel main camera, 50 megapixel ultra wide camera and 180 megapixel periscope ultra telephoto lens with 2.5x optical zoom that has an astonishing 100x digital zoom OIS. The main camera has an intelligent variable aperture ranging from f1.4 to f2.0 and it also has OIS. The pill shape cutout consists of a 50 megapixel main and TOF center for high quality selfies and depth sensing capabilities. It offers 3 different modes, that is vivid, natural and textured. It comes with a self-developed RF enhancement chip C1 Plus, offering a significant 41% increase in maximum transmission gain and 51% increase in maximum reception gain. The Magic 6 Pro stands out for support for Honor's communication, which is a direct satellite service connected to Tiangong satellites. It consists of real-time voice communication and two-way SMS and boasts the industry's fastest satellite connection speeds with a 40% increase and 50% reduction in standby power. It comes with a comprehensive eye protection with 5 advanced technologies including ultra-high frequency PWM dimming at 4320 Hz, natural light eye protection, sleep aid display, hardware level blue light reduction and natural color display. It features a 5600 second generation battery. It features rapid 80 watt of fast charging which fully charges the phone in 39 minutes and offers the convenience of 66 watt wireless charging. It has a self-developed energy efficient chip Honor E1. The pricing is a little bit high. It comes in 5 colors: lake blue, cloud purple, snow, barley green and velvet black. The base model 12256 is around $803. The 16512 is around $873 and top variant 16 1TB models around $944. The sale will start on July 11th and will be available for purchase through various platforms like Honor's online store, authorized e-commerce platform, Honor's experience store and authorized retail outlets.